You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce these names. I'm tired of hearing mispronunciations of it. If you want to learn more names from the Bible, stay tuned. One of the three. Magi? Yes, is it Magi? Magi? I've got a video for you too. Melchior, that's your British English pronunciation. Melchior, or in American English, Melchior. So it's not Melchior, Melchior. It's easy, Melchior, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.